Hey Pinky, are you pondering what I'm pondering? We've got ourselves an Epson PX900 residing in this box. I just cut the tape, so let's rip her open and see if she's got everything they claim that she's got. Okay. Well, she's got a... Let's say I thought maybe they sealed the bag all the way around. Carry case isn't any bigger than the brother. Let me pause this and get this plastic off. So strangely enough, the carry case is a little bit smaller than the brother. I don't know how big this thing is in comparison. I guess we can pull them both out and see. Well, that was a workout. Let's crack this baby open and see what's what. Okay, so right out of the gate, we've got all the documentation and the software that comes with it. Got the label maker itself. Actually not. Yeah, it's not that much bigger than the brother. It's got this nifty... God, doing this stuff with one hand is terrible. It's got this nifty carry handle on the bottom. Fits in the hand nice. She's a beauty. Comes with little magnetic footies that you can mount to the bottom of it, to the back of it, and you can clip it onto sheet metal while you're in the middle of working on your machinery. This one's actually a front loader, as opposed to the brother where you gotta separate the back clamshell. And we got 1/2 inch tape. We got USB cable. They still use the older style mini USB. Actually, this is USB type B or whatever the heck it is for the printers. The brother uses the mini USB, but they don't use the micros because the micros tend to wear out a lot faster. We got power cable, because this thing actually has a power brick, much like a laptop. The brother actually had a wall wart, and then the lithium-ion battery. The batteries go in the back. There's a looks like there's a little lock-unlock screw, and I'm assuming that the screw is going to be in the lock position, so I won't be able to open that until I grab a screwdriver. But this takes, just like the brother, it takes either the lithium-ion pack or it takes 6 AA batteries, and you can use rechargeables with it and all that. So I'm gonna call this unboxed, and later on I'm gonna do some test shots on it and see what she do. So far it looks like a nice unit. Keys feel okay under the fingers. They're a little thin. They could I don't know what they could have done. It's like they're a little close together for my fat hands. They're nice, but maybe if they tapered them a little bit, kind of give you more of a central feel. But who am I to judge? Looks like a beautiful unit, so I can't wait to load it up with some tape and start shooting some heat shrink out of it. So stay tuned.